In Mississippi, British tourist Lou has been out shopping for his friend Andy. We don't have shops or money yet in Britain. We barter mainly. For example, livestock, grain, wives.
I'm back.
Yeah, no. Got any coins?
Andy,
Yeah.
where did you get that?
Like what?
That toy car ride thingamajiggerly.
Found it?
You found it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I believe you, Mr. Pipkin. I think you might be telling lies again.
Earlier today, the Walmart in downtown Jackson was the scene of a bizarre crime when a man posing as a disabled wheelchair user was caught on a security camera stealing a coin-operated children's ride.
No.
The suspect was wearing thick spectacles, burgundy jogging pants, and a dirty tank top. The police have issued the following composite sketch of the suspect.
Black fella did it.